In this short lecture, you will learn some basics behind what is an ORM, which stands for the Object Relational Mapping. The ORM stands for Object Relational Mapping. The concept behind it is that you can abstract the database tables with objects in object-oriented programming language. It's a common concept present in all programming languages. ORMs make working with databases much easier, as you most of the time don't have to write SQL queries manually. The other case is when you have to do that. Typically, you'll do that only for the very demanding and complicated queries that need to be very efficient. Type ORM is ORM implementation in Node.js. ORMs generally work with different databases. That includes relational ones like MySQL, Postgres, but also NoSQL like MongoDB. Type ORM works with Mongo. Another layer we have here is the Nest.js Type ORM module. We haven't covered modules yet, but all you need to know at this point is that modules provide some well-defined functionality. Type ORM module handles all Type ORM integration. Now some concepts from the ORM world. First, entity. It's a class that is mapped to a database table. Each table is mapped to a single entity class. Repository is a programming pattern, and it provides data access for the specific entity. You will use repositories to load and store data from the database. Finally, we have the query builder. It's used to construct SQL queries object-oriented way by calling specific methods. Query builder helps you create reusable queries. Alright, we've covered the basics and you've learned some basic terms that we're gonna use throughout this section and this course. Don't worry though, there will be plenty of examples that would make everything much easier to understand.